Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the leukemia. First is the definition. It is a group of the malignant disorders affecting the blood and blood forming tissues of the bone, marrow, lymph system and spleen. The word leukemia comes from the Greek leukos, which means white, and aemia means the blood. The stem cells are committed to produce specific type of blood cells. Lymphoid stem cells produce either the T or B lymphocytes. Myeloid stem cells differentiate into three broad cell types, that is RBC, WBC and platelets. There are the graph for the hematopoietic stem cells. There are the erythropoid progenitor, lymphoid progenitor, and the myeloid progenitors is also converted the basophils, mast cells, eosinophils, and also there are the banded neutrophils, granulocytes, monocytes, progenitors. There are the monocytes. The lymphoid progenitors are the beta lymphocytes, natural killer cells, T lymphocytes, and there are the erythrocyte progenitors are the erythrocytes, megakaryocytes, platelet. Next is the function. Function of the bone marrow. The bone marrow is found in the inside of bones. The marrow in the large bones of adult produces blood cells. Approximately 4% of our total body weight consists of bone marrow. There are the two types of bone marrow. First is the red marrow, second is the yellow marrow. Red marrow made up mainly of the myeloid tissue and yellow marrow made up of mostly of fat cells. The red marrow can be found in the flat bones such as the breast bone, there are the breast bones and the skull, vertebra, shoulder, blades, hip bone and ribs. Red marrow can also be found at the end of the long bones such as the humerus and the femur. White blood cells, lymphocytes, red blood cells and platelets are produced in the red marrow, and red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight disease. Platelets are essential for the blood clotting. Yellow marrow can be found inside the middle section of the long bones. Next is the white blood cells. The white blood cells which help to body fight infection, and red blood cells which carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Next is the platelets which help in blood clots, and if a person loses a lot of blood, the body can convert yellow marrow to red marrow in order to raise the blood cell production. So in today's class, we discuss about the function of the bone marrow and also about the types of cells and also about the definition of the leukemia. Thank you for watching.